Good morning, students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Yesterday we were talking about the singular and plurals. We studied 5 rules. After that, again, more 3 rules more we studied about the singular and the plural forms of nouns. And then after that we started with some questions. We completed question number 1, we completed question number 2, then we completed question number 3. And now we had started with question number 4 and we are going to complete now question number 4. First 3 sentences were done yesterday and today 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th sentence we are going to complete today. Now 4th sentence which is given about the plural. Now the words which are written in bracket, they are in which form? They are in singular form and we have to change those words into plural form. Okay. Now here the first sentence which is given here, 4th sentence is dash are seen at the railway station. What is seen at the railway station? Answer is trolley. Trolley means what? One trolley. Correct? When we talk about one trolley, then it is one. Correct? And when we say trolleys, then more than one. So here it is written trolley. 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 Okay? Now I have told you if the word is ending with Y letter and before Y letter if there is vowel, then what we have to do? We have to add only S. This rule I have told you before. What we have to do only? We have to add only S. So your 4th sentence which is given here is, I am going to write down plural form of trolley. Trolleys. What I am going to do here? I am just going to add S. Trolleys. Trolleys are seen at the railway station. What is seen at the railway station? Trolleys. 5th sentence which is given over here is wife. Now here the word wife is there. If the word is ending with FE, what we have to do? We have to change, instead of FE we have to write down V and we have to add ES. Okay. So the word wife will become what? Wives. WIVES. So their wives are good friends. Whose wives? Their wives. If 4 or 5 people are standing together, what we will say? Their wives are good friend. Whose wives are good friend? Their wives are good friend. Understood? So here answer will come wives. WIVES. FE, we have to remove FE. Instead of FE we have to write down V and add ES. Samajla? Okay. The 6th sentence which is given over here is, we saw 3 dash in the forest yesterday. If the words are ending, now rule, again I am going to the rule. Okay. If the words are ending with X letter, what we have to do? We have to add what? Normal S. Normal S or ES we have to add. Come on, tell. We have to add ES. So we saw 3 foxes will come. What will come? We saw 3 foxes. Why? Because the words which are ending with, by adding, I am just reading that this, okay. By adding ES to the singular forms of nouns ending in O, ending in S, ending with SH, ending with CH and ending with X. Understood? Then what we have to do? We have to write down foxes. FOXES, foxes. Why we have written ES? Because fox word is ending with X. And it is told that if the word is ending with X, what we have to do? We have to add ES. We saw 3 foxes in the forest yesterday. What we did? We saw 3 foxes in the forest yesterday. The 7th sentence is given, dash are stubborn animals. Mule. Mule means what? Mule is, it is like a donkey. Mule means what? A type of donkey, and that animal is very quiet. So here it is told that mule are stubborn animals. Now it is nothing. Y is not there at last. O is not there. X is not there. SH is not there. So only what you have to do? We have to add normal S. Mules. MULES, mules. How are mules? Mules are stubborn animals. How are mules? They are stubborn animals. 8th sentence which is given here is my father keeps 2 diary. Now here word is ending with Y. आणि ज्या वेळेस शब्द एंड होतो वाय लेटरने तर ते वाय ऐवजी आपण काय करायचं आहे आय लिहायचं आहे. सो माय फादर कीप्स 2 डायरीज. DIAR. Instead of Y we are going to write I and add ES. And add what? ES. What this word is going to become? This word is going to become diaries. One diary, many diaries. Understood rule? The words which are ending with Y letter, instead of Y we have to write I and add ES. Okay? 9th one. How many dash do you see? Now here the word is ending with S. परत तोच rule. The words which are ending with O letter, the words which are ending with SH letter, the words which are ending with CH letter, the words which are ending with X and the words which are ending with S. या सगळ्या शब्दांना काय जोडायचं आहे ES. So how many buses? What will happen of bus? Buses. 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 Understood? And the last sentence of our lesson is, after this we are going to complete our lesson, okay, singular and plurals. The last sentence is what? We bought a pack of 6 handkerchief. Now I have told you there are some rules in which what singular noun does not change. Singular noun does not change. Correct? There are some words like 100, million, billions, they does not change. And there are some words where we have to add only S. Which are those? Chef. CHIEF. Chef will, when we will form plural of it, it will become CHIEFS. Chefs. Gulf. 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 Gulfs. 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 Handkerchief. Handkerchief only what we have to do? We have to add S. Then it will become what? Handkerchiefs. So we bought a pack of 6 handkerchief. HANDKERCHIEFS. Handkerchiefs. We bought a pack of 6 handkerchiefs. In this way we have completed how many sentences today? 6 sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sentences. Not 6 sentences, 7 sentences. How many sentences we have completed today? 7 sentences. I have told you rules, 5 rules. Understood? You? I have told you so many times. Just now we have repeated some rules also. In this way we have completed what lesson? Singular and plurals. What are singular? Singulars means one, plurals means many, more than one. Okay? And then there are some rules. If the words are ending with SH, CH, O, X, for those words we have to add only ES. If the words are ending with Y letter, instead of Y we have to write I and add ES. If the words are ending with F letter and FE, instead of F and FE we have to write V and then add front side of that or before that front side of that ES. F, FE ते काढायचं, त्याच्याऐवजी काय जोडायचा? V जोडायचा आणि ES जोडायचा. Then if the words are ending with Y and before Y vowels are there, then what we have to do? How many vowels are there? 5 vowels are there. A, E, I, O, U. If such words you will come across, but then only S you have to add for those words. Have you understood? These are some rules which I told you, which are very much important. You have to keep in mind. तुम्हाला हे रूल्स लक्षातच ठेवावे लागतील तरच तुम्हाला सिंग्युलर फॉर्ममधून प्लुरल फॉर्म तयार करता येतील. समजतंय का? And in this way we have completed our singular and plural forms lesson, and we have completed this questions also. What you have to do? You have to write down all questions in your English grammar notebook. Today I will send you photo of what homework you have to do. Okay? Please complete your homework on time and send it on WhatsApp group. Okay? Thank you.